folks, I've got a tenor to show you today. It's number 824, and I'm really proud of it. The back and sides are some Myrtle. With a really cool grain to it. And top is sick of Spruce. And it's a one-piece top with lots of spalting and asymmetry and interesting stuff in it. It's got a fur neck with a oak stripe in it. I really love this part of the fur neck. And everything else is pistachio. And I chose my kind of green and gray and brown for everything. It's got bird's foot purfling as well. And the binding is Myrtle. So over the last couple of years, I've had a lot more instruments where I just feel drawn to a color palette that all really matches well. And and I've started leaving off all the black lines and purfling and all the black laminations in order to get just like a palette that's a wash, like it's nature printed watercolors or something. And I don't do that with every instrument, but sometimes it's just how I feel. And I think for these kind of like neutral earth tone woods, it really makes a lot of sense. And this one's got a low G. The neck is extra thin for a customer with arthritis, so I worked really hard to make the action low. And the Spruce just has a nice crisp tone. Yeah, it just feels great. So yeah, this one's for Lori, and it's number 824, and it's ready to go. Cheers.